Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this peachy Arabic makeup look for you. Today's palette, I'm using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. And I'm starting off by using the shade Peach Tart, which is a dark matte brown shade. And I'm taking this on an angled brush and creating a line in my crease and extending it out. Next, I'm taking Peach Cobbler and I'm just applying this above the line we just created. I'm just applying this with a pencil brush and then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush to blend everything out. Now I'm just going to take a bit of my concealer just to neaten up the line. I'm taking Just Peachy and I'm applying this on the top part of the lid close towards the crease. Now taking the shade Peach Punch and I'm applying this on the lid as well, but close towards the lash line. Now time for the wing liner, and I always use the Maybelline gel eyeliner. If you prefer liquid, you can use that too. And I'm just starting off by following my natural lash line. And then for the winged part, I'm just going to extend a line out and then create another line on top, almost like a triangle shape, and then just filling in the gap. Then after when you've done that, you can just neaten up the line. If you want to make it thicker, you can do, and you can also extend the wing if you feel like you want it longer. Using the Rimmel Scandalized Waterproof Kohl pencil, I'm lining my top waterline with this. And taking that Peach Punch shade with a pencil brush and I'm running this along my lower lash line. And then using the gel liner again, I'm just creating a point in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to curl my natural lashes before I apply my Ardell Minx Wispy Lashes, and then I'm just going to use some mascara to blend everything together. Taking the NYX Glitter Primer, I'm just using a small amount in the inner corner of my eye. This will be a nice sticky base for our glitter to apply to. And then for the glitter, I'm using the Barry M Glitter Rush in Angel Wings. And I'm just applying that right on top with the glitter primer we just used. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I have listed all the products I use in the description bar below. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.